What's up YouTube, it's me Victorious Dude and welcome back to another gaming video. Today we're going to be playing Prop Hunt Portable and tomorrow's going to be the collab with Flame Wolf Gaming. So yeah, subscribe to me, Mick_Undergirl, John Gaming, LJ Brohouse, Flame Wolf Gaming, and Hot and Spicy Bros, bro. Our channel's been growing. Last time I checked, 23 subscribers, now 25. So our goal is 1,000 subscribers if you're a well-known subscriber. So yeah, our goal is 1,000 subscribers. Let's get into it though. It usually has ads. Wait guys, the ad was in the way. You guys saw survey list. It's just like hide and seek. You get to morph whatever you want. So yeah. They say bad words and stuff. No, me hold. Okay. I went with the good server, like 16. Okay, 9 out of 10. Oh, that one. Alright. As you guys can see, I'm like a ghost. Let's get it from above. Alright, so guys, look. Get two morphing. Oh, look, there's one. He's on the run. Oh, dang. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's another one. He just morphed right here. It's this guy. I kind of really... This one's definitely one. That one over there is the one. Oh, you could go into the map. That one's definitely one. There's one that doesn't... There used to be 3. This one's the one right here. The one in the... Yeah, look. Dang. Alright. These are good. Oh, that one's... Oh, we could go... Oh, you saw that one? There you saw you. Alright, that's a good... There's probably one in here. No, actually, no. Wait. Oh, never mind. Alright, these are all good. They're all in here. Okay, the one right here has gone. Is there anyone down there? No. There's someone there? No. Wait. No. Okay, there used to be 4 boxes. 4 boxes. Those are the last ones. I think they're on the run. Use memory, guys. Alright, look. We're a box. And actually I want to be a box. No, it's too late. Be a green one. This guy has like no memory. I'm gonna morph into one of these. Okay, that box is dead. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, he was right there the whole time. Guys, I have memory, but if the audio's bad, it's because I'm gonna be holding it. I have good memory. What was wrong with all those shots? I know he's over here. I'm not an idiot. He's playing games with me. Okay. Oh, bruh. That's such a bad way to hide. Alright, anyone wants more of me? Dead. Bruh. Easy kill, mate. I'm like good at this game, so I should know. Watch. If I see someone, I'm just gonna walk past them. There. Like, jeez, what's wrong with these people's hiding? Alright, Oh, come on. Really? You expect... Wait. I think that truck is... Yeah, it was there. Let's check over here. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna go check over here. Okay. Oh, bro. Where's he? Oh. Alright, he's on the run. Did you guys see him? Because I did. Alright. Alright, those were there. Wait a second. No, those were there and weren't there. Whose does not belong? Oh, come on, idiot. Alright. Alright, there, we survived. I want to be a little boxy. Oh no, my... Guys. What are you... No more. Oh, there you go. Oh, wait, where's he gonna spawn? Where's he spawning? Let's go. Where did he spawn? That's strange. Now we run if we can. Oh yeah, we escaped. Wait, hold up. Oh! Rough sailing, boys. Holy. That was rough. Oh, he's coming. Really? We're dead. It didn't let me move. Hey, but I guess I'm better off as a killer. Hey. Wait a second. No, that's good. Yeah. My brother just asked me a question. It's good, John. Alright, but look. I'm better off as a killer, I think. And I might have blocked the audio thing, so... Sorry for that one, Bates. Wait a second. Nothing suspicious. We're closing in. You don't need to shoot everything. Just memorize 1, 2, 3, 4. Bro, was it just me or did I see something brown? Oh, come on. Alright. Alright. Woo! We made it. I don't know, but I was recording again. Everyone was just lining up like this, look. And I was like, wow, you're gonna get caught. So, wait. Oh no, I'm the one. Actually, watch how fast I could get it. Last time I was on a roll, so. Actually, with the collab, we're gonna be playing 2 games: Death Run Portal and bruh. Hold up, guys. The audio is gonna mess up, but at least you're gonna hear the game or watch me play. So I'll be back if the audio messed up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright, guys. That was easy, right? Told you. I'm good. Alright, let's get that morph. I'm gonna be a savage, guys, and run all over. So, yeah. Do 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 do. Oh shoot. Da 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 da. Douche. Watch. I'm gonna look. You can spin and make yourself stand. Last time I glitched through the floor. Hold on. Oh, there he is. I don't think I'm Mr. Bad because every time, yeah, like that happens. Alright, I'm dead. So, yeah. Guys, every time I like tag like this, the audio's gonna be bad because I mean business. So, yeah, guys, I'll see you in a bit. You guys could still see the gameplay as always. So, yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1. What happened, guys? Look at them. Alright, let's get back into it. Oh, okay, never mind. We're back, and so, yeah. Come on, come on. Oh, there he is, there he is. Imagine this works, watch. Just, wait, guys, hold up. An ad came up. There's this thing, guys. Oh snap, he's right there. Oh no, he's right there. This could easily get me. Or not easily hit me. Yeah. Hold up, like that. More. Guys, is that even enough? I think so. Maybe if I slant a little bit to the right. Holy moly, I didn't see him. Alright, well guys, as I said, it's gonna get the audio back. So, ready? 3, 2, 1. Why did that guy just shoot the dumpster? Alright, let's get back into it. Where's this last guy? Where are they shooting at? What were they? What? Where is he? Where is he? Wait. Wait. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Where? Wait. My eyes played tricks on me. Alright, that's not nice. Is he up here? No. As you guys can see, look, you could jump up here, so. You guys could watch. And look, you easily hide right here. Where's he? Alright. Is he over there? No. I know he's not there. Where is he? Is he like in a corner like last time? Probably is. Checking all the corners now. Wait a second. Oh, I saw him, yes! Yeah! Where was he? That was a good spot. Wait, he was just right... No. Let's get that little morph. No, I want a broken... Oh, it's too late now. It's right there. Hide there. What? Oh, I guess this gives me a better advantage. And I have to hurry. Why do they give us only that much time? Come on, I have to hide right here. Alright. Let's see what I get, guys. Oh. Oh, come on. Wait. Alright, now it's our chance. Quick, quick, quick. What is wrong with that dude? Uh-oh. Here he is. Oh, bro, does he know how to shoot? Does he know how to shoot? It's just following that one. Uh-oh, he does know how to shoot. Alright, that's bad for us. Where is he? Imagine he was secretly shooting me, but he missed all shots. Alright, one more minute. This is hard to do it. Oh. Oh no, I was stuck! Get me out of here! No, I was stuck! Great. Alright, I guess I'll help this new guy. No. One, two, three, four. Oh yeah, guys, the gameplay, remember, so I'll try to make nothing much harder. But ignore the audio for right now. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, wait, this trick, I'm not playing. Watch. I'll just not move. Should I just stay like that? What was this? Color missing. Oh, I almost got him, guys. Alright, guys. Let's get into this small one. Alright. This guy jump higher. Feels like he does, but it doesn't look like it. Okay. Oh, he saw us. All right, let's turn it into a box. You think? I'm gonna be trolling, guys. Troll. Oh. Yeet. Mario Kart 64, boys. Oh, dang, I died. Okay, guys. Yeah. After I kill everyone, this is gonna be in the end. So yeah, I'm just gonna say the end credits. So yeah, guys, subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below if you saw the other video about my intro. Let's get 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe to me and my friends, as I told you at the beginning. Yeah. And yeah, so let's finish this game. Alright. Okay, so far we see no one. Wait a second. Was there a black one? Okay. Okay. There was. You gotta be kidding me. Alright. I definitely. Alright, guys. I guess that was the end of that. Bye, guys. Subscribe, leave a like, and bye. Comment down below the best intro. Alright, bye.